In our story, we heard all about the kutu, an imaginary monster bird that lives way up in northern Canada. But Canada is home to many different types of real animals as well. Some are very big, like the polar bear. Others are very small, like the Arctic fox. Some can fly, like the blue jay. Others stay on the ground, like the moose. And some are really good swimmers, like the beaver, just like you, Billy. But most of all, Canada is known for being a home to many different types of people from all over the world. That's what makes Canada such an interesting place. Everyone has a story to tell and a song to sing, and that is what we celebrate here on the Friendship Way.